Gentlemen, in this demonstration we're going to be looking up into this light in the ceiling, and we're going to try show you how to get a good shot into the into this dimension. We'll see. Here we go. So there was no light. There's lights on. The side light's on, but the main light is not on. So we'll try to be fast on this one. I'll just try to be as accurate as I can, and then we can save it out and zoom in on it and try to get a really good picture. But this is alternative to the marble fireplace and the glass cabinet. So I'll try to do this as much as I can without explaining, so you can have a think how I'm doing this. It's just all you're doing is adjusting the brightness and the darkness to the segments of light in your pictures, points of light. So what we're going to do is load that back up. So I do know there's other entities in here. I mean, we can zoom in on that one, or we can zoom in on that one, but we're going to focus on that dark patch in the middle there for this demonstration. So we'll take a print screen of this. And then we'll get closer into it. Yeah, it'll be alright. As you can see, there's platonic structures definitely around there, so I'm presuming there's going to be something in there. But I mean, let's verify this right here, right now. So you see, all I'm doing is for the CYMK, all I'm doing is brightening or adjusting the darkness levels there. No, nothing else, nothing like contrast or anything. As you can see, there's a dark patch there. So we'll have a look in there. Right, I always like to put a bit of brightness and contrast there, just to give the image a bit more sharpness from the photo, from the original photo, but we'll have a look at that in the end. So we're going to be going here, back into this brilliant app. I'll give it 5-star, of course. But I am focusing on on entities and certain light phenomena. Anyway, so this is slightly different to your image adjustments, because I'm going into the actual layers of the colours in your pictures there, rather than just sharpening it up. But I mean, it's all good. It's all good to learn, to know this. Right. Now we're getting really small into the perlite glass. We're going to be going really in there. You see all these slight little photons here, and light emitting photons are part of these tiny little nanostructures what I've found. I mean, look at that. That's definitely cybernetic, that. I mean, there's a spirit on the end of there. I could zoom in on that, but let's save that. I want to show you how to reverse these. So I'll get a good screenshot of this. And we'll try to get a look at that. That's brilliant, that. So let's have a look at this little thing. You see, I'm essentially bending the colours here, so we can reduce them and switch them. This is just in them channel, using them channels. So we'll keep it like that, and then we'll go into your red, green, blue. And I have that up. Look at that. So that's a little bit bright there, so we'll reduce that. Not too much. And then brightness, contrast again. Now this is the portal, the vortex, and the portal are pretty much the same nanostructures. However, one's in and out, and one's out or in, like portal vortex. Look at that. Unbelievable, that. We'll have a look at that right quick. You see, I just don't want to lose people's interest, because it does take a while to zoom in on these and find them all out. I mean, see them tiny little green little dots there? This is what we're talking about. And here we go. Look at that. So we've got this one and this one. Look at that. This is in my lightshade, this, so it's healing. You saw me take a picture of it. Let's have a look. What's all this about? So I do do recall seeing something similar to this before in my mind for some reason. But look at that. That's a cactus. That's a proper nano cactus. Don't want to make it all the same colour, so we'll reduce the red a bit so we can get into that helmet and have a look what's going on there. So it looks absolutely brilliant. I mean, my experiences with ghosts and spirits it's just been fantastic, to be honest. Despite you know, missing them. But you know, this is why I'm getting this out there, because it's showing people that they're actually still here, doing their own thing. But I mean, they wouldn't have contacted or tried any telekinesis or anything if they didn't want me to tell. So I've just always felt like I've needed to do this and prove this. But I mean, it's all good. It's fantastic, really. This. So we've exported down now. We are getting really small now, to the point where the camera won't pick it up if it were an object. But we're talking a light diodes. So, and the camera is the function is essentially a light. I mean, look at that. We're having a look at that before we wrap it up and move on to the ghost mouse. Just look how in depth that is. And that's the spirit right there. So we've got a bit of luck today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and whoever is watching this and intrigued in the colour grading. And obviously I worked out, I couldn't have the main light on, so there were photonics involved, flash on the camera, and we'll have a look at this first. All them little bits there, they're spirits, for sure. We can separate it there from the background to show you. Can you see? There we go, that's a portal they're going in and out of there. Little things, little diode emitters. So it's looking a bit like a chicken spirit there. I mean, it's definitely there. See, there's also some nanostructures, but yeah, that's a vortex there. So that's that. Masterpiece is that inside the dielectric glass, perlite glass. So the last one looks really good. You get a good one out of this one. Don't want to put too many points in there. That looks really good. So what I'll do now is, in fact, I'll just show you. So we'd export this out. Could use a computer, and it would take a while to upload it and sharpen it up using AI enhancer. But we'll do the similar process where we're darkening the background and brightening the foregrounds, and then go back and do similar technique in the RGB lumers. We can even separate it if we want to. Here we will do. There. We can all the shadows there. Midtones adjusted. Brighten it up again. Same picture. So I made a little bit of a boo there. So we'll get rid of that. Start again. Expel that out. So this should be looking really good at the top of that light there. Look at that. That's a super lens camera. That's a super lens. A organic optics right there on that little spirit, on that little thing, on that other little thing, on that other little thing in my light. So yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed and find it useful. Thank you for watching and take care.